Hi everyone, welcome back to Tanya to Guide. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe. Now I am going to show you a beautiful game that is how to create a catching game. So now let's get started. You know already if you're watching my previous videos, you know how to delete this sprite. Now to delete that, right click on that. Now let's go for a new backdrop. I'm just searching for a new backdrop. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, I'm just selecting this purple. Okay. Yeah. Click on OK. Now by default it is delete the background. Now select an apple. Click on OK. Now select one more sprite. This is like a catching game, right? So I need a ball and an apple. So now set the apple to somewhere in the position on the top. Now make the ball to move here. Now see here. Let's start giving the for the ball. So now I just want to make the ball to move front, back, up and down. So if you're taking the x and y values, it's get changing, right? So change x by 10 means it is moving see like this. If you're giving change x by minus 10, it will be moving in the left hand side way. See here. If you click on this, it is moving like this. If you click on that, it is moving to the left side. So for that, I'm just using this. Or else you can change the values to some minus 6 to plus 6. Whatever you want, you just take it. 6. Now, what is my condition is I just wanted to make it to move front and back. So for that, what I need to do, I just need a conditions. So now come to if then condition, in that place it here. Now take one more and attach it. Now this should work only when we use if touching. Okay, whenever we click on some space key or something or else some other keys, you just need to make it move up and down. I'm just using this right arrow. And one more is using the space key. Inside that there is a small triangle. Now make it to left arrow. See here on your keyboard there will be left key and right key. Okay, if you click on the left or if you click on the right, this will work. See here. Okay, when the right arrow is clicked, it will move. When the left arrow is clicked, it starts moving. So now for that, if you wanted to start it, take out the green color flag. Now, if you wanted to repeat this continuously, you just need it forever. Now see here, use the keys to make it move. Now let's see what will happen if you don't give forever. Attach it, start it. It's not moving. Okay, I just wanted to repeat it continuously. For that, I'm just using this. Now let's come back to the apple. Now, if you wanted to duplicate it, click on the duplicate. Directly, you'll be getting the code for this also. Yes. So now there are two balls. Okay. Yeah. Now I just wanted to make the apple to make it to move random position and all that. Before that, see here, I'm going to show you one thing. Click on the apple here, click on go to random position. See, whenever you click on this, the apple is going to random position. Have you observed? Yeah. So I'm just setting a position, the apple in the top. Now I just wanted to make the apple to fall from the up to down. So for that, I'm just taking this, set Y to 180. So it should be very straight. So set Y to 180. So after coming to the random position, it will be straight. Okay. Yeah. Now X after that, I just need to change the positions and all that. For that, take the green flag. Now one more, set Y is finished. Now attach this. Now come to the control block, take forever. Inside this, I just wanted to make it to fall it from up to down. So I already told you in the previous classes that if you wanted to make it to fall it from the up to down, you should always make change y. Okay, so now use change y by, if you give 5, it will go up. If you put 5, see how it will go. Okay, now instead of that, if you put minus 5, see how nicely it is falling, right? Yeah, it is just falling like that. see, is falling. Now click on the flag, again it starts moving like that. So it is going straightly to the up and it is returning back again. That is the reason we are using this. Okay. Yeah. Now what we need to do again, now take on this control block, click on this if then condition. Inside that, go to the sensing block. Now here you can add the color or anything, or else we can directly go to the motion block, Y position. Now come to the operators, click on this. Now attach Y position, which is less than some minus 178. Now what will be having, I just wanted to make it to go again to the random position once it reaches. So I'm just taking this again. Oh, I don't need all this. I just need the set Y. Now I'm just attaching all this. Yeah. Now see how it is working. The apple is coming and falling from the top to bottom. After reaching certain position, it is falling like that. Okay, it should be like that. What if I remove all this code? It's not falling. It is going to the random position and it is very straight. Okay, so that's the reason we have to repeat it. And we, after changing the position of Y, change Y by -5, it will change to -5. It will again change the position. Then after it will be straight again. Okay. So now what should we do now? I just wanted to duplicate multiple things. I just need multiple apples. Yeah. Just make it somewhere, some random. Something like this. Now, if you wanted to get a score and all that, now go to the data block, click on this, make score. Now the score will be selected. Select for this all sprite. Now take one more green flag, that is, which is used to start. Now what is the condition is that if touching, so if it is touching the mouse pointer or else if it's touching the ball, take the mouse pointer, instead of that you rename it to, yeah, or else we'll do one thing, we'll write the code for all, next we can duplicate it. See here, I'm just placing over this first one and this, I am just removing all this. I'll show you a very easy method instead of this. Yeah. Now for this apple, take one more green flag. Now if then condition, take if touching, if it touches the ball. Okay, let's delete this ball too also. Yeah, if it touches ball. So now what should we do? Initially the condition is it should be score should be 0. Now later it has to change its score by 1. Okay, now so now you can duplicate. Why I'm not doing it in the first, it is because, see, if you do it in the first, it would be very difficult. So that's why I have not mentioned in the beginning. Okay, so now if touching ball, it should change its score by 1. Now take the forever, click on this forever. No, this should be like this. Set score should be 0 initially, because later on we can see the values which are updating. Now see here, now you can just click on this, see how it is working, just make it to move. Okay, if you add some kind of sound for that, it would be very nice, right? So for that sound, what should we do? So go to the sound block, play sound, pop. Whenever it touches, okay, if touching ball, it should play a sound, pop. Next, we should get a score. Okay, so now this is a basic game of Scratch. Okay, so now let's see how we are going to do that. Now I'm just removing this forever. Now see, if touching mouse pointer, if touching that, the score should be 0. Now I just wanted to make it green color. Click on the green color flag, it will start again from the beginning. Yeah, We are not getting any score when it touches. See here. Okay, when you include this, you will getting the score. And see here, there is a difference. The score is keep on increasing. Okay. So now let's start. Initially it is 0. If touching the ball, it should play a sound and it should change its score. Okay, now see here. Yeah, we got the score. Okay, how many times it is touching, that many times you are getting the score. Now see, I'm just duplicating right now the apple. Now every code, both the codes will be get copied. See, the first code and the second code will be get copied. So that is the reason why I have deleted in the previous one. Okay, now duplicate it. Even if you can make the game to stop also. Okay, yeah, now you can make it duplicate. Okay, now two balls will be moving. Now we'll be getting the score. Now I'm just restarting it from the basic. See, the score is increasing. Or else if you don't need this, you can just delete that. If you want only 4, you can attach with the 4 only. Okay, yeah, now let's start. Click on the green flag, it will initially 0 and next the game will start again. Okay, whenever it is touching, it is getting sound. Okay, so this is how we'll play catching game. I hope everyone understood. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.